Welcome back to Dan's Messy Garage. This is going to be part 22 of the 71 Comet. Just a short update video. Nothing really to show. The engine's still gone. The engine was sent back to Blueprint Engines. And they've had it, well, it's been gone from here about 2 weeks. They said it's going to take 4 to 6 weeks for them to go through it, figure out what's wrong, and send it back. And there's not much I can do until I get it back. But I know some of you have asked me, some my friends and all, what's going on? How come there hasn't been any videos? Because I'm not doing anything. I'm just laying around in the house watching a lot of TV. But I thought I'd give you a quick update. Not much progress. The engine's out. It's sent to Nebraska. And we just have to wait a few more weeks for it to come back. Merry Christmas, by the way. But thank you for watching Dan's Messy Garage. Please stay tuned to my channel for updates on this project and other projects to come. Bye.